Hello again. Today we're going to make Poolish. Poolish is a way to pre-ferment dough so that you can add it later to other dough mixtures to get more flavor and make them more elastic. This is one of the best ways to make the most delicious pizza you'll ever have. It's easy to make, and today we're going to pick the longest fridge option. Stick around to find out why. We're going to have 100 grams of strong bread flour, 1 gram of quick dry yeast and 100 milliliters of water. And we're going to get the flour and yeast and dry mix them together. Now make sure to mix well so the yeast is evenly distributed across the flour. Then simply add water and start mixing. What will happen is, at first you'll have a very wet mixture, as you see here, and as you continue mixing, it will turn into something very dry. And please do not stop mixing. Just keep on going until the dough becomes very sticky and there are no more dry pieces of dough left. And this is exactly what we want. Now it looks like it's ready for the fridge. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Then we're going to cover our bowl with a food-grade shower cap. In the description you can see where to find some of these, and we're going to put it in the fridge for 6 or 7 days. Normally, the longer the fermentation process, even if it's just the pre-ferment, the better the flavor. And that's why we're doing Poolish this way. What can you make with Poolish? If you have any suggestions, write them in the comments. And check out our pizza making video using Poolish, and please like and subscribe.